Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and I went to Cinnaholic, the cinnamon roll shop, to try their new seasonal pumpkin roll. This is what it's looking like. Pieces of pumpkin bread on top. It's pretty good. I believe it's got the drizzle of like cinnamon with maybe caramel or pumpkin syrup. Yeah, I had an interesting day today. I had to be somewhere, but that didn't happen because there was a road block or road closure or something. A truck caught on fire, like a big delivery truck or something. I don't know, it was like a sand truck or something. It caught fire, I believe. So we were stuck in the traffic or whatever for pretty much all day, from 8 in the morning to like 2 in the afternoon. Didn't move an inch that whole day. So I had to call and kind of cancel. But I decided to come here after. Yeah, the cinnamon roll itself is pretty good. Yeah. And this is a vegan cinnamon roll place. For those who don't know. It's pretty good for being vegan though. Yeah, it doesn't taste like it. And there is a pokey place right here in front, but that when it does open, I'll bring you guys and try it out. Yeah, I don't know. I might get like a poke bowl or something. But it's called Pokimoto Hawaiian Poke. Yeah, if y'all have one around you, let me know how you like it. What I should maybe order. Yeah, I think they said it's opening late summer. Uh, this is pretty good. Yeah, there were the cinnamon rolls are usually pretty good. I haven't been here in a long time. But yeah. Yeah, that was good. That was pretty good. I had thought about getting a coffee from here too, but decided not to. Just gonna go get some from another place. But yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, if y'all have a Pokemoto around you, let me know what you think of it, what I should get. And if you've got a Cinnaholic around you, I mean, you tried the pumpkin spice cinnamon roll. Sorry. Or any others, how you liked them, just comment down below. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.